If you run a small business, side hustle, or you are trying to make money online and you are not using ChatGPT, you are literally working harder than you need to. In the next few minutes, I will show you how people are using ChatGPT to make more money with less stress. So in this video, I'm going to show you practical real ways to use ChatGPT for business, not theory, not hype. We are talking about customer messages, marketing, content, ideas, and even pricing. And by the end, you know exactly how to use ChatGPT to grow or start a side hustle. Let's start from the beginning. If you don't even know what business to start, ChatGPT can generate ideas based on your skills, right? So let's take this for example. Let's say I want to start a side hustle business, right? But I don't know how to go about it. All I have to do is just to go to ChatGPT and input my prompt. So I'll be searching for side hustle ideas that I can start with low capitals, right? Okay, this is my prompt. I said, suggest 10 profitable side hustle ideas I can start with little or no capital. My skills are. Now, if you look closely, you find that this particular place they wrote my skills are, right? All you have to do is just add your skills, but I just leave it as brackets so that you guys can follow up and understand what I'm saying. Now we have to wait to see the answer it will give us. And what I like about this is that it doesn't give random ideas. It tailors them to what you already know, which make it easier to start and actually succeed. And once you have an idea, the next struggle is, what do I call my business and how do I describe it? This is where ChatGPT saves a lot of time. Now let's say I already have the idea on what business to start, but the problem now is business name and description. Now when you face this type of challenge, right, no need to panic. All you have to do is just to go to ChatGPT and input your prompt. Now this is what I wrote. Create 10 business name ideas and a short description for a business type, targeting type of customer, right? So I have to erase these brackets, business type, and add the exact business I want it to give me the idea on, right? And also do the same on type of customer. Now in this business type, I will add online clothing. So now I have to also erase type of customer, right? And yeah, okay. Now type of customer, I will add young women and age. I want to add age, right? So that it will give me the exact idea I'm looking for, 18 to 30. So after this, we have to click on the search button to see the answer it will give us. You can literally build your brand identity in minutes instead of spending days thinking on how to go about it. Now we already have a business idea and a business name. So next is marketing. Marketing is one of the biggest uses because most people are bad in writing ads, captions, and sales messages, but ChatGPT is very good at it. Now let's say I want to promote my online business on Instagram, right? But I don't know the captions to use on it. So all I have to do is just to go to ChatGPT and input my prompt. Now this is what I wrote. Write a persuasive Instagram caption to promote my product/services to target social audience. Now, like we always do, I have to erase product/service to add the exact business we want it to promote for us, right? So that it can give us the best answer. So in this case, we will also be using online clothing as a case study, right? So, and after that, we also have to erase target audience, right? And also add the exact target audience we added before, right? Which is young women. And now we have to click on the search button to see the answer it will give us. And mind you, you can use this for WhatsApp broadcast, Instagram, Facebook, even flyers. Just tweak it to sound like you. Now once you are done with marketing, the next one is customer support. If you sell online, you already know how stressful customer message can be, but guess what? ChatGPT can handle that too. Now let's take this for example. Let's say I want to reply to a customer regarding delivery time and refund policy. And I want it to sound more professional. So all I have to do is just to go to ChatGPT and input my prompt. And this is what I wrote. Write a polite and professional reply to a customer asking about price, delivery time, and refund policy. So we have to click on search button to see the answer it will give us. This makes you look more professional and saves you from typing the same thing again and again. Another powerful use is pricing. Many people underprice their services because they are not confident, but ChatGPT will help you analyze your product and give you the actual price it's worth. Now let's take this for example. Now I'll ask ChatGPT to help me price my video editing based on market value, and this is what I wrote. Help me price my video editing based on market value and suggest 3 different package options. This is very useful for freelancers, designers, writers, and service providers. And if your business needs content posts, blogs, videos, ChatGPT can plan everything. Now let's take this for example, right? So I will put in this prompt and ask ChatGPT to create a 7-day content plan for my car business, right? So let's see. This alone can remove the stress of what should I post today, because it will give you a 7-day plan, right? Both hashtag, title, everything, description. It will give you everything for 7 days. Let me be clear. ChatGPT will not magically make you rich, but it will make you faster, smarter, and more consistent. And in business, speed and consistency win. Just like I always say, in 2026, running a business without AI is like running without internet. So if you found this video helpful, like the video so YouTube knows to show it to more people. Also subscribe if you want to see more ChatGPT tutorial videos like this. And comment business if you want a full video on using ChatGPT to make money online, step by step.